Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E20. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning enter settings and tap on display. Extend the list and here we've got full list of settings for our display. At the beginning we've got brightness level, dark theme, night light, video display enhancer, adaptive brightness. We can change wallpaper, screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. We can set auto rotate screen, change color mode, font size, display size, screensaver, lock screen. In lock screen we can adjust notifications, text, show lockdown options, lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. Then we've got backlight power saving and 3-finger screenshot. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.